Hello friends, you all are welcome on my YouTube channel Mathematics with Shadab, and nowadays I am teaching trigonometry of class 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so before starting this question, I want to request to all, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and watch my videos up to last. You will get proper knowledge of trigonometry questions. Let's start. Here x plus y is equal to 45. We have to prove that cot x plus 1 cot y plus 1 by cot x cot y is equal to 2. We have to prove this. Here given. What is given here? X plus y is equal to 45, which is given. Okay, now take both sides 10. 10x plus y is equal to 10 45. Now tan a plus b, this is in the form of tan a plus b or tan x plus y. What is the formula of tan x plus y? Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y is equal to tan 45 means 1. Cross multiply. Tan x plus tan y is equal to 1 minus tan x tan y. Now this term tan x tan y take to the left. Tan x plus tan y plus tan x tan y is equal to 1. Now look at here, we have to prove 2, so add both side 1. 1 plus tan x plus tan y plus tan x tan y is equal to 1 plus 1. Adding 1 both side. 1 plus tan x plus, here from this two term take tan y common. Tan y remaining 1 plus tan x is equal to 1 plus 1 2. Here 1 plus tan x 1 plus tan y is equal to 2, but we have to prove in the form of cot, so we have to convert this tan in the form of cot. Tan x formula 1 by cot x. Okay, up to here. Now we have to convert this tan in the form of cot. 1 plus tan x means 1 by cot x. 1 plus tan y means 1 by cot y is equal to 2. Take here LCM. Cot x into 1. Cot x plus 1. Here also same. Cot y LCM, cot y into 1. Cot y plus 1 is equal to 2. Cot x plus 1, cot y plus 1, and here cot x cot y is equal to 2. Look at here once. We have to prove cot x plus 1 cot y plus 1 by cot x cot y is equal to 2, which is here. Proof. Thanks for watching my video.